What is the rank of India in the Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Right answer is option A, 23rd rank. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Global Hunger Index? Right answer is option C, 102nd rank. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Human Development Index? Right answer is option A, 130th rank. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025 as of December 2025? Right answer is option C, 85th rank. According to recent IMF report, which country has become the fourth largest economy of the world? Right answer is option D, India. What is the rank of India in the recently released Global Peace Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 115th rank. What is India's rank in the Global Climate Risk Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 15th rank. In the World Happiness Report 2025, what is India's rank among 147 countries? Right answer is option A, 118th rank. According to recent NCRB report, which city was India's safest city for the year 2023? Right answer is option B, Kolkata. As per the Global Firepower Index 2025, what is India's military strength rank among 145 countries? Right answer is option C, 4th rank. Recently, which Indian institution has been ranked as the top Indian institute? Right answer is option A, IIT Madras. What is the rank of India in the Rule of Law Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 86th rank. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Global Innovation Index? Right answer is option B, 38th rank. What is India's rank in the 2025 IMD World Competitiveness Ranking? Right answer is option C, 41st rank. Which institution ranked first in India in the QS Asia University Rankings 2026? Right answer is option A, IIT Delhi. According to the 2025 FAO's Global Forest Resources Assessment, what is India's global rank in total forest area? Right answer is option D, ninth rank. What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Right answer is option C, 99th rank. What is India's rank in the 2025 Corruption Perception Index? Right answer is option B, 96th rank. Which city has become India's dirtiest city in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2025? Right answer is option C, Madurai. What is the rank of India in the IMD World Talent Ranking 2025? Right answer is option A, 63rd rank. Which is the most polluted city in India according to the report recently released by Energy and Clean Air Research Center? Right answer is option B, Birnihat, Meghalaya. Which state is the top exporting state in India for the financial year 2024 to 25? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Who has topped the Fiscal Health Index 2025 recently released by Niti Aayog? Right answer is option D, Odisha. What is the rank of India in the Sustainable Trade Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 23rd rank. According to Bloomberg's 2025 rankings, which family holds the title of Asia's richest family? Right answer is option C, Ambani family. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025? Right answer is option A, 71st rank. Which state topped the State Mining Readiness Index 2025? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Which city has been ranked as Asia's happiest city? Right answer is option C, Mumbai. What is India's global rank in vehicle manufacturing as per Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? Right answer is option C, third rank. What is India's rank in the 2025 World Press Freedom Index? Right answer is option B, 151st rank. Which bank has recently topped the S&P Global Sustainability Ranking 2025? Right answer is option B, Yes Bank. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Index of Economic Freedom? Right answer is option A, 128th rank. Who country topped the Global Peace Index 2025? Right answer is option D, Iceland. Which company has surpassed Microsoft to become the world's most valuable company? Right answer is option C, Nvidia. Which state topped the India Justice Report 2025? Right answer is option A, Karnataka. According to the recently released IMF data, by how much percent has India's GDP increased in a decade? Right answer is option C, 105%. What is the position of India in the Global Terrorism Index 2025? Right answer is option D, 14th rank. According to a recent report, what percentage of the world's rare element reserves does India have? Right answer is option B, 8%. According to the WTTC 2024 Economic Impact Trends Report, what is India's rank in the global tourism economy? Right answer is option C, 8th rank. Which country has become the world's largest arms importer according to the latest SIPRI report? Right answer is option B, Ukraine. What is India's rank in the Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024? Right answer is option D, 39th rank. What is the rank of India in the world mobile manufacturing? Right answer is option B, second rank. As per the Hurun Global Rich List 2025, which city has become the billionaire capital of Asia? Right answer is option B, Shanghai. Which state secured the top position in the State Food Safety Index 2024? Right answer is option A, Kerala. Which state has topped in Management Effectiveness Evaluation Index of National Parks and Wildlife Sanctuaries for 2020 to 2025? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Which city topped the list of the world's 10 most populous cities in 2025? Right answer is option A, Jakarta. What is the global rank of Indian Air Force in the 2025 WDMMA rankings? Right answer is option C, third rank. According to the QS Best Student Cities ranking 2026, which city holds the top position as the best city in the world for students? Right answer is option C, Seoul. What is the rank of India in the Digital Nomad Report 2025? Right answer is option C, 38th rank. Which country has recently become the world's fourth largest biofuel producer? Right answer is option A, India. Which city was declared the cleanest city in the million plus category? Right answer is option C, Indore. Which state has recorded the highest number of dolphins in the Ganga River Dolphin Survey conducted for the first time in India? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Which airport has been awarded the title of World's Best Airport 2025 by Skytrax? Right answer is option C, Singapore Changi Airport. What is India's rank in the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025? Right answer is option C, third rank. Which location has recorded the highest snow leopard density in the world? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.